Numpy array dimensions. How do I get the dimensions of an array? For instance, this is 2 by 2.
Use .shape to obtain a tuple of array dimensions.
First, by convention, in Python world, the shortcut for Numpy is np, so. Second, in Numpy, dimension, axis/axes, shape are related and sometimes similar concepts. Dimension. In mathematics/physics, dimension or dimensionality is informally defined as the minimum number of coordinates needed to specify any point within a space. But in Numpy, according to the Numpy doc, it's the same as axis/axes. In Numpy, dimensions are called axes. The number of axes is rank. Axis/axes. The nth coordinate to index an array in Numpy. And multi-dimensional arrays can have one index per axis. Shape describes how many data, or the range, along each available axis.
Also works if the input is not a Numpy array but a list of lists, or a tuple of tuples.
Use .shape.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.